Have you ever dreamed of getting paid just for owning something? Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your account, and seeing a payment. No new work. No extra hours. Just cash, flowing in automatically. That's the power of dividends. In this video, I'll explain what dividends are, how they work, and how you can use them to build passive income over time, even if you're starting small. Let's begin. What is a dividend? A dividend is a portion of a company's profit that it shares with its shareholders. It's a way of saying, thank you for owning a piece of our business. When you buy a stock, you're not just betting on price, you're buying part of a company. And some companies, especially large, stable, profitable ones, pay you for holding that ownership. It's like planting an apple tree. Over time, the tree grows, and once it's mature, it starts dropping fruit. You can eat the apples, spend the money, or plant the seeds, reinvest. That's how dividends work. How do you get paid? Let's say you own 10 shares of a company, and that company pays a $1 annual dividend per share. That means you'll earn $10 per year, just for holding the stock. No selling, no timing the market, just holding. Most companies pay dividends quarterly, every 3 months. So that $1 dividend, you'd get 25 cents 4 times a year. And the best part? If you use a brokerage with dividend reinvestment turned on, those payments buy you more shares, which pay more dividends next quarter, and so on. That's compound growth in action. Who pays dividends? Not every company pays dividends. Some are focused on growth, like tech startups or fast-growing innovators. They reinvest all their profits into expansion. But others, especially blue-chip companies, reward shareholders with steady payouts. Think of companies like Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson, PepsiCo, McDonald's, AT&T, Chevron. These companies have been around for decades, some even over a century. They're not chasing fast growth. They're focused on stability and reliability. Some have paid and increased dividends every year for 25, 40, even 60-plus years. They're called dividend aristocrats, the royalty of passive income. How much can you earn? Let's talk numbers. Suppose you invest $10,000 into an ETF like SCHD, one of the most popular dividend-focused ETFs in the US. As of now, SCHD pays around 3.5% annually. That means you'd earn about $350 per year just for holding it. But here's the trick. If you keep reinvesting those dividends and add more over time, the income snowballs. After 5 years of consistent investing and reinvestment, you might earn $1,000 per year. After 10-15 years, $3,000, $5,000 plus per year. Eventually, your portfolio can generate a full-time income without touching the principal. This is how people retire early. They don't just save money. They build income-producing assets, reinvesting versus withdrawing. When you're in the accumulation phase, it's usually smart to reinvest your dividends. This buys you more shares, increases your future payouts, and compounds your growth. But once you reach your income goals, say $2,000 per month, you can turn off reinvestment and have those dividends deposited into your cash account. That's income. Real, passive, consistent. Why dividends are so powerful? Dividends are powerful for 3 reasons. They pay you to wait. While other investors panic during market crashes, dividend investors keep earning income. They force discipline. You get paid consistently, which encourages long-term thinking. They grow over time. Many companies increase their dividend payouts every year, which beats inflation and grows your income automatically. Are dividends guaranteed? No companies can cut or cancel dividends if profits fall, especially during recessions. That's why it's smart to invest in companies with long dividend track records. ETFs like SCHD, VYM, or HDV, which spread risk across many dividend payers. Strong balance sheets and low payout ratios. Why dividend ETFs are ideal for beginners. If picking individual stocks feels overwhelming, ETFs are your best friend. For example, SCHD focuses on high-quality U.S. dividend stocks. VYM offers broad exposure to large, stable companies. HDV screens for financial health and sustainability. These funds pay dividends every quarter, and the income grows as the fund grows. Plus, they're low-cost, tax-efficient, and require no active management from you. Set it and forget it. How to build a dividend portfolio, step by step. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab, or Robinhood. Step 2. Turn on DRIP. Dividend reinvestment. Plan Step 3. Pick 1 or 2 solid dividend ETFs. Step 4. Automate monthly contributions. $100, $300, whatever you can. Step 5. Stay consistent through ups, downs, and distractions. Step 6. Track your income every quarter and watch it grow. Real example, the $500 month investor. Let's say you invest $500 month into SCHD, that's $6,000 per year. Assuming 3.5% dividend yield and 8% total return, here's what happens. After 5 years, $37,000 total, $1,200 year in dividends. After 10 years, $93,000 total, $3,200 year in dividends. After 20 years, $260,000 plus, $9,000 year in dividends. After 30 years, $680,000 plus, $22,000 year, almost $2,000 month passive income, and you never touch the principal. Active versus passive. What makes dividends different? Most people chase gains. They hope their stock goes up and they sell. But dividend investors focus on income first, price second. They hold, they collect, they grow. They don't need to sell anything to get paid. And in retirement, that's huge. You don't want to guess when to sell. You want income that flows no matter what the market does. Mindset, patience over excitement. Dividend investing is slow. It's not sexy. It won't make you rich overnight. But that's the point. It's a system that rewards discipline, not hype. It's how you build a money tree, one that grows while you sleep. You won't feel the power in year 1. But in year 10, you'll wonder why more people didn't do this. So let's wrap up. If you want true financial freedom, you need assets that work while you rest. Dividends do exactly that. Start small. Stay consistent. Reinvest. And let time do the compounding. You don't need luck. You don't need perfect timing. You need a plan and patience. If this helped you, like the video, comment below, and subscribe for more long-term wealth content every week. And remember, assets feed you. Liabilities drain you. Dividends are money that works, so you don't always have to. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.